Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download CapCut on your laptop or your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download CapCut on your PC or your laptop easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for CapCut. You're going to go into this link from CapCut.com and then you're just going to click onto this download button here and CapCut will start downloading on our computer. Click open on here, click yes, and then CapCut will start installing on your computer. So just wait for it to complete installing. And once that's done, you're going to click confirm on here. And there you have it. Now we have successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on our computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.